Brian McCloud. I am the facilities manager here at HGR Industrial Surplus. I've been here for just over a year now. I started June of 2021. My role in this facility is to make sure that the lights stay on and that the lift trucks keep rolling and that we're able to get product out the door. Essentially, I do the maintenance here. I have a team of 3 people and we take care of all the facility lighting, power, and just the lift trucks in general. So this is my favorite aisle, aisle 6. This is the grinders. So outside of here, one of my hobbies is making knives. So anytime I have a minute, I come down here to check for new products in aisle 6. So we offer everything from small $60 grinders all the way up to industrial size surface grinders, stone grinders, belt grinders, every type of grinder you can think of. So I shop down here for anything from this smaller belt grinder right here to some of the bigger surface grinders. I use them for putting my knife blades on there and making them nice and smooth and getting a clean look to them after I'm done forging them out. And, so yeah, we can take a walk down here and look at some of them. So this is one of our biggest, bigger surface grinders that we have. They have a magnetic plate on it. Put the object on there that you want to grind, and then the part will oscillate back and forth underneath the grinding wheel. And they have different size grinding wheels that you can put on there, and it can make for a really nice finish on the product when you're done with it. We have the stone wheel grinders right here. This is more of an industrial size one. Something I wish that I could have at my house, but I can only have so much. Just a little bit of everything that we offer. We have some CNCs, some vertical mills in here, but this is one of my favorite aisles.